Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to set session timeouts using the requests library in Python. Managing session timeouts is essential when making HTTP requests to external services to ensure that your program does not hang indefinitely waiting for a response. We will demonstrate how to set a timeout for a session and handle timeout exceptions. Make sure you have the requests library installed. You can install it using. To set a session timeout with the requests library, you can use the timeout parameter when making requests. This parameter specifies the maximum amount of time, in seconds, that the request is allowed to take. Here's an example of how to set a timeout for a session. In this example, the timeout underscore value is set to 5 seconds. If the request takes longer than 5 seconds to complete, a timeout exception will be raised. It's essential to handle timeout exceptions gracefully. You can catch requests.exceptions.timeout and requests.exceptions.requestException to manage timeouts and other errors. It's good practice to close the session in a finally block to release resources, regardless of whether the request was successful. Setting session timeouts is crucial for preventing your program from hanging indefinitely while waiting for a response. By using the timeout parameter in the requests library, you can control the maximum time allowed for a request and handle timeout exceptions appropriately. Feel free to adjust the timeout value based on your specific use case and network conditions. Always consider the trade-off between setting a short timeout for quick failure detection and allowing enough time for slow responses. ChatGPT